Welcome to my channel. My new channel, Caesar Zodiac Tarot Predictions. We create this due to a lot of persons ask from us to create it because they don't understand Greek tarot placards. We must express our thanks. Lot of thanks for watching and for supporting us. If they want, you must make a subscriber in our channel, Caesar Tarot Zodiac Predictions, and you can find us in Facebook, Aristides Andreou, or public team Kesseras Tarot Zodiac, where every day is referred the card of the day of Tarot. Thanks a lot. I hope to have a nice day. Let's see now about all the zodiac signs. And we started with the zodiac of Gemini. Gemini. Dear Gemini, a lot of you seems very disappointed. Why? Because during of the past it was a person that believed that it was the center of the world. Always create a problem. They wanted all the person to focus on him, the king of the wands, and it was like to him to give a lot of counsels and a lot of advices that he was not it was not able to keep them. From here, in the past you were not a very good surrounding, especially in subject career. You are working, but there were a lot of intrigues. Person that they show you envy in your person. You work too many hours, but you have not gained the money that you need. At this time, the card of the Empress means that you have an idea in your mind. You imagine that you can find or a job that you must give to you a lot of money. Some other person believe that the worst has gone and that the better comes. But from the other, as obstacle, there is a great fear from your side, as you think that the things will not proceed as you imagine, and from emotionally side, you think that there is a great possibility to stay alone. Take care at this time about person that came to solve you from bad situation because they want to exploit them. About subject, so on emotionally, as and in career, seems to be steady. Is like to be between sky and earth, and nothing is moving. All this stability create to you a lot of worries. Depressed there is in your character because you think some things always with in worst side. What happen if what should be happen if I don't achieve this? What should be happen if I don't achieve this? And go on. All this create a lot of depression to you. And not only, it's possible a lot of persons that they belong to your zodiac at this period to take some pills, anti-stress, and go on. Here we have agreed a lot of things that you must think, and not only to think, but you must take some choices, very important choices. So, about my opinion, don't be hurried. Let the things to move by themselves. Here we have a very, very bad and negative card. The only thing that we can see in this card is only wow. Wow about what? Wow, a mess. Avoid this card. Here in your mind there is a hope that finally we see light across the tunnel. In reality, we have made a lot of efforts to create a new situation, but you need a lot of work. The Hangman reverse as final result means that you are very, very disappointed, because you see all this stability, you see all this mess, person that make intrigues to you, and you think that you make a lot of sacrifices for other person. A lot of sacrifices that the other persons ignore. They don't recognize your ability. They don't recognize your behavior. And so, at this time, you need so helpless, like a person that wastes energy, that wastes time. This about you, about Gemini, and let's go to the next zodiac, Cancer.